Hello, I'm Tina Defoe, Sales Manager for Size Reduction Specialist Corporation. I'm going to demonstrate the proper cleanout procedures for our bi-cutter screenless granulator. You will need the following equipment: safety goggles, the T-handle that was provided with the granulator, standard shop air unless you're in a clean room environment, and a vacuum. First, follow your company's proper lockout, tagout procedures. Release the slam latch. Lower, do not push or drop the hopper into the back position. Remove the T-handle that is to the left of the electrical. Loosen one bolt. Hold the casting in place while you're removing the second bolt. Lift the side plate casting door into an upright position and engage the safety pin. Now we'll complete the same procedure on the other side. Loosen one bolt. Hold the casting door into place. Loosen the second bolt. Lift the side plate casting door into an upright position. Do not let it slam. Lift it up. Engage the safety pin. At this point, the cutting chamber is totally accessible, which allows us to clean it out. We take the vacuum and you clean out all of the open surfaces. Now we'll complete the vacuum procedures on this side. Clean the top edges down through here, down into the lower cutting chamber, and through here. We need to lower the casting door. Hold on to it, lower it, do not let it slam or you'll damage it. Now you have accessibility up here. Vacuum this completely out. Now lower this side, disengage the safety pin. Lower the door, do not let it slam. Now take your vacuum and clean out the hopper. If you have a magnet, vacuum around the magnet. If you are not in a clean room environment, you may wish to take shop air to clean out the hopper and to clean out any additional particles that may be in the cutting chamber. After lowering the casting side plates into down position, remove the collector bin, dispose of the material, vacuum, and reinstall. Now that the cleaning procedures are completed, push the door into place, hold it so that you do not strip the threads. Tighten the bolt until you notice the lock washers compressed. Once they're compressed, turn it 1/8 of a turn. Do the same with the second bolt. Lock washers compressed, 1/8 of a turn. Complete this procedure on the other side. Now that the side plates are in the closed position, lower the hopper. Do not let it drop to engage the safety mechanisms. This completes the cleaning process.